ask you what you are drinking with your dinner. I know when I cook, I love opening sparkling water flavored. I pop that top and pour my glass of sparkling water every evening. I'm putting a recipe together, and so I have a lot of those aluminum cans in my fridge. And without the help of an organizer, my fridge would be really, really messy. And what makes this one so nice is it's double tiered. So you can put your aluminum cans on the bottom, whether it's for the soda lovers, or your aluminum cans on the top, whether it's an alcoholic beverage or your sparkling water or whatever you like to drink. So here it is in red at $12. Again, first day ever at a clearance sale price. It should have been $20, we're now at $12. Then you have it here in the clear. I have a feeling this is going to be very popular because if you do want to open the fridge and see something that kind of blends in with the environment of the fridge, I would go with the clear. And then this one right here, this is going to be your blue choice. Final quantities. I don't know how much space is in your fridge, but if you do multiples and buy two of the same color or even two in two different colors, perhaps you could even put them side by side in the fridge, and your easy pay would be about $6 a month for both of them. So Jeremy, it's a great way to claim more space in our refrigerator, whatever the beverage is, right? Whether it's alcohol, a soda in a can, my favorite, the sparkling water, like I mentioned, we get more fridge space.
Yeah, that's right. And you can expand it. So even water bottles, you know, who loves Roar? Okay, who loves Roar?
QVC
Roar!
customers.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So here's what I love. This is for cans. This is for bottles. Let me do that again. Cans, water bottles. Okay, it expands. So no matter the size, and it's so much fun because just like this, if I come over here and you take a can, here's what happens.
Yep.
It rolls back. Okay, let me put this here and just, I'll do it again. Gravity. That's why I love it. There you go.
Well,
okay.
it's nice because you can refill at the top. Like sometimes I'll have like 2 or 3 drinks in a day, and then you go to reach for the next one, and if you just put the fresh one in the front, it's not cold. So the idea is to put the new one when you're restocking on the top, so the ones on the bottom are always cold and ready to hydrate you.
Always cold, ready to hydrate. And if you don't want a cardboard box in your refrigerator so it looks, you know, clamp it. I don't know the word, but I guess, yeah. And so, again, same thing with my Roar. If I want to grab that, it will just, you can see you load it there. It'll fit 8 of your Roars in here. And even, let's come over to the fridge here and open her up. And again, you want to get just a bottle of water. I'll open this all the way so you can see. I can just come here, grab that, and it'll reload it here. And I'll put this here. It'll go wide if you want. If it was smaller, I can go smaller here. So it just looks a lot better in there than if you were to have, say, just a bunch of water bottles or in a box or whatnot.
Well, and it's that time of year where when a season changes, I think we're all ready to get organized. You know, we don't really have quite a holiday going on right now. Valentine's wrapped up and Easter and Passover aren't for a few more weeks. So start to think, you know, is it time to do a little spring cleaning? Is it time to do a little organization? Maybe you even recently just found a beverage that you like and now your fridge is overflowing with it and you don't know how to organize it. I will tell you too, Jeremy, though the refrigerator makes sense, I have some beverages that I don't like cold. I actually like them to be room temp, and they're in my pantry on the floor. Now I'm thinking, let me invest in this at a small $12 and even get things off the floor and organize the pantry.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense. I mean, this way you don't have to rip a hole in that case, you know, that cardboard case that they come in, and, you know, then you're just reaching around, fishing in for one. So what a great way to get organized and to make things look better. And it's really cool too. Yeah, you can load it up and just, you know, use it. I love it that it goes from cans to your standard sort of water bottle size here too, which by the way, these are the 2 sort of standard size that drinks come in, this size and this size. So you can adjust. And if you happen to have one of those slim, thin cans, you know, that are a little bit taller.
Like a Perrier sometimes comes in like a little bit more of a skinnier aluminum can.
Something like that, or like a White Claw or something else.
Oh, yes, I like where you're going there.
There you go. Yeah, you can, or Truly, or any of those drinks, those seltzer drinks, you can kind of go halfway. So you can go long, small, so it adjusts. And I mean, very cool item.
It adjusts to all your beverage needs through all the hours of the day. And if you come back, let me remind you there are colors. I knew this was going to happen. The one that is clear is a very popular choice this afternoon. It's $12. If you're thinking, I don't even know if one's enough, then just grab two. And if you realize it doesn't fit in the fridge or one was enough, then give it to somebody, the other one. $12. And what makes this one unique versus what you often find out there in other stores is the fact that it's two-tiered. It's not just one tray. The fact that Jeremy reminded us it expands, so whatever your drink needs are size-wise, it works with you. And then that idea of restocking. So instead of restocking the fridge when you get back from the grocery store and grabbing a warm drink, restock at the top and then reach from the bottom and you always get the colder beverage. White, I should say clear because that's the name of it. Clear, red, or blue. I'm sensing like a 4th of July patriotic moment going on here too, Jeremy. Maybe we need to put them even outside for parties.
Yeah, there you go. That'd be fun, right? Have these and just restock them as you need them, and you have all your drinks here. And oh my gosh, look at this. There's my little bonus one right there. Here it is. That's the can I was talking about. And so again, you can even put this in, mix this in if you just wanted. If you had a few cans, load it up. If you're going through, you're circling through. You have these guys, and then you have cans behind it. They'll all fit together, and of course, it'll adjust to any size. From water bottles to cans, just like that. You'll love it. You'll use it all the time.
Thank you. $12 for the first time ever. That, just like many of our other items in this hour, it's a clearance sale price. So at some point, that price is going to go back up. Grab it, stock up on it now with the $12 price point instead. It's a 40% off discount. Red, clear, or the blue down here. K92505. All right, time for grilling season. Actually, my husband volunteered to start our